America's most trusted brand, Olympic. How to clean and maintain your deck. Hey, you want to show off your handiwork year after year, right? In addition to cleaning and maintaining your deck, a lot of what we'll cover in this video are simple practices that you'll want to be in the habit of doing every spring and fall. This first tip is an easy one. Sweep the deck. Leaves and debris from the yard can be like those guests at the end of a party. They just won't go away on their own. And when leaves remain on the deck over time, they can stain the wood. A couple times a year, you'll also want to tackle the things that a broom might miss. Look to see if any sticks or acorns are stuck between the boards. Left unchecked, one pesky acorn can cause rot and decay. Of course, not everything that can damage your deck comes from above. If your deck is built over ground rather than a concrete patio, make sure nothing is growing from underneath, because when it comes to uninvited guests, a tree that's growing beneath your deck is among the most difficult to deal with. Next on the list is some routine maintenance. Every spring and fall, assess the condition of your deck. Are there any damaged boards? How about the steps? Are the risers and treads intact? Railings and posts doing their job? Good. Assuming everything passes the test, wash your deck with a mild cleaner twice a year. This will prevent mildew from building up and making your deck slippery in wet weather. Olympic Premium Deck Brightener and Wash will do the trick. In fact, it'll remove 4 times more dirt than hose water alone. To recap, here's what you need to know about cleaning and maintaining your deck. You might be wondering, what do I do with leftover stain? If you think you'll use it again, leftover stain can be stored in a cool, dry place with the lid sealed tight. However, if you decide you're ready to discard of unused stain, some home improvement stores offer recycling programs. Now, here's a quick tip for DIYers who want to keep their deck looking beautiful season after season. Next time you're at a home improvement store, pick up a package of chip brushes. These disposable brushes are great for touch-ups down the road or testing stain to see that the appearance matches your expectations. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button or visit Olympic.com for more videos just like this one.